Community Participatory Geographic Information System, which is also called Co-PPGIS, can play an important role in recovery and rehabilitation efforts. Co-PPGIS involves the collaboration of community members, stakeholders, and experts to create and use maps and geospatial information to support decision-making processes and address community challenges. In the context of recovery and rehabilitation, Co-PPGIS can be used to identify and map resources, assess damage and plan recovery efforts, engage the community in recovery efforts, monitor and evaluate recovery efforts. In the context of earthquakes, Co-PPGIS can be used to support recovery and rehabilitation efforts in a number of ways. After an earthquake, Co-PPGIS can be used to map and identify resources that can support recovery efforts such as hospitals, emergency shelters, and transportation routes. By mapping these resources, stakeholders can identify gaps in services and plan for improvements. Moreover, Co-PPGIS can be used to assess damage to infrastructure, homes, and natural resources after an earthquake. Co-PPGIS can be used to engage the community in recovery efforts by providing a platform for residents to share their experiences through a process called GeoMeeting. GeoMeeting is a prototype of Co-PPGIS where millions of people can come together and discuss the problems and their solutions with the help of a geographic map, which can help to ensure that recovery efforts are responsive to the needs of the community. Co-PPGIS can be used to monitor and evaluate recovery efforts over time. This is a map interface on which I will show you the example of earthquake, how I can make a map on the area where the earthquake came, and how other people who are present in the meeting or who are not even in the meeting, who are outside the meeting and want to see where the earthquake came after the meeting is over, can access the map and see where the earthquake came, what is the area, and how we can work on it for its recovery and rehabilitation. So first of all, I'm going to click at the info panel and see if any sort of earthquake map is present. As you can see, there is no map present. Now, I'm going to draw a shape. From the draw shape icon, you can draw triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, many shapes like that. Now, you can also select the angle, and you can even also select the size. So after I am done, I made a circle over the area of cavalry ground, which is a part of Lahore, and I'm supposing that an earthquake came over here. So I'm going to write the title of earthquake. I'm going to select a date, and then I'm going to select the time. Now I'm giving it a little description. I'm writing magnitude of 4.1. As you can see below, there is a video and a photo icon as well. You can add a video or a photo as well. Now I'm going to submit it. Now after submission, as you can see, earthquake came written with bold letters on the screen inside the circle, the area which I selected first. Now I'm going to create a bookmark. I'm going to click on the bookmark icon. I'm giving it a title of earthquake. Then I'm going to select the time, the date, and I'm going to give it a little description. Then I'm going to submit it. After the submission, the bookmark was created. Now I'm going to click at the info panel and see the map which I created before with the name of earthquake came. Now I'm going to scroll up and then again click on the info panel and click on earthquake. So it took me back where the map was created by the name of earthquake. This is how people can access the map for the recovery and rehabilitation when earthquake comes in the GeoMeeting or outside the GeoMeeting. Co-PPGIS is an essential tool for recovery and rehabilitation, as we saw in the video, that it can help us to identify the problems and the solution of it with the help of the mapping interfaces.